Good morning, children. Yesterday we have done, in our last class, we had done addition and subtraction of surds. Today we are going to do multiplication and division of surds. So, today let us first do multiplication. Okay. So, your textbook, practice set 2.3, 7 sum, practice set 2.3, page 30. Sum number 7. The first one. 3 root 12 into root 18. Okay. You have to multiply this and write the answer in the simplest form. Okay. Here we are doing multiplication of like surds in your class. In this 9th standard, we are doing multiplication of like surds. Okay. So, how to multiply? It is easy. First multiply the rational numbers. 3 ones are 3. Then you multiply this radicans 12 into 18. I had given you in the law of surds. Nth root of A into nth root of B is equal to nth root of AB. So just multiply the radicand. So same way, root 12 into root 18 will be root of 12 into 18. It follows from this law. So you get 3 root of, multiply 12 into 18. 12 8s are 96. Carry 9. 12 ones are 12. 21. 216. 3 root 216. But now they have told us you have to put it in the simplest form. This is not the simplest form. So find the factors of 216. What are the factors of 216? Two goes in 54, 27 times. Now in 27, 3 goes. Again 3 goes in 9 and 3 goes in this. So how many 2s? 3 2s and 3 3s. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So now the order is 2. So 2 which is repeated 2 times can come out. 1 2. And here 1 2 remains inside. Now here there are 2 3's repeated. So that you can take it out as 1 and 1 3 will remain. So what remains inside is this 2 and this 3. 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3s are 18 root 6. This is the simplest form of this multiplication. Answer, final answer you can write 3 root 12 into root 18 is equal to 18 root 6. Is that clear? We'll go to the next sum. Second sum. 3 root 12 into 7 root 15. So same way, let us proceed. First multiply the rational numbers. 3 into 7 is how much? 21. Then you will multiply this radicans just in this way. N root of A into N root of B is nth root of AB. The order is 2 here. So square root of 12 into 15. So you get 21 root of 12 5s are 60, 0 and say carry 6, 12 ones are 12 plus 6, 18. But this is not in the simplest form, so you have to put it in the simplest form. First find the factors of 1 8. Which is the smallest number which goes 2. 2 90s are, 2 45s are, 3 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are. So you get 21 root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, so now let us see what will come out. Order is 2. So one which is repeated 2 times will come. This 2 is repeated 2 times, so it will come out as 1 2. This 3 is repeated 2 times, so it will come out as 1 3. And what remains inside is 5. So what is your answer? 21 2s are 42. 42 3s are. 3 2s are 6, 4 are 12. 126 root 5. So your final answer is Answer 3 root 12 into 7 root 15 is equal to 126 root 5. Is that clear? Shall we go to the next sum? Okay, we'll move on to the next sum. Third one is very simple. 3 root 8 into root 5. So 3 ones are 3. Root 8 into root 5 according to this law, root 40. But not in the simplest form. Make it in the simplest form. First find the factors. 2 goes in 40 how many times? 20. Again 2 goes, 2 tens are. Again 2 goes, 5s are. And 5 ones are. So you get 3 root 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So that is equal to 3. These two 2's will come out as 1, 2, root 10. So you get 6 root 10. So your final answer is 3 root 8 into root 5 is equal to 6 root 10. Okay, now we have one last sum remaining. Let us do that also. Fourth one. Five root 8 into 2 root 8. So multiply the rational numbers. You know how to proceed now. 5 2s are 10. Now multiply these. Root 8 into, sorry, this is not 5, this is 8 only. Root 8 into 8. 10 root 64. What is the square root of 64? You know, 8 8s are 64. So you can easily find the square root here. 10 8s are, it's a rational number. 10 8s are 8. Answer is 8. So final answer is 5 root 8 into 2 root 8 is equal to 8. Okay, so we have completed multiplication of surds. Now let us go to division of surds. Division of surds also, if the surds are like surds and the order is same, nth root of A upon nth root of B, you can make it a common nth root and write A upon B. Divide the radicals. Okay, this law you all have studied. So now we go to the 8th sum, the first one. Root 98 divided by root 2. So let us take it as a, we know nth root of A upon nth root of B. Your square root it is, and is common this according to the law, 98 upon 2. 2 goes in 98 how many times? 49 times. So you get root 49, which is answer 7. So your final answer, write it down, root 98 divided by root 2 is equal to 7. Second sum. Root 125 divided by root 50. Same procedure. You can write down root 125 divided by root 50 is equal to take a common root 125 upon 50. Now you know that which is a common table which goes in both 5. 5 goes how much? 10. And 5 goes in this how much? 25. Again 5 goes. 5 5s are, 5 2s are. So you get root of 5 upon 2. This is the answer. It cannot be done further. Okay. So final answer you can write down. Root 125 divided by root 50 is equal to root of 5 upon 2. Okay. Let us proceed to the next sum. Children, whenever you want to write something, pause the video and write it down. Root 54 divided by root 27. So according to this law, root 54 divided by root 27, you can take, when the order is same, you can take a common, this 54 upon 27. 27 goes in 54, how many times? 27 2s. Answer is 2. Root 54 divided by root 27 is equal to root 2. This is the answer. Now last sum of the division. Let us do that also. 8. Fourth one. Root 310 divided by root 5. So this can be written as root 310 divided by root 5 will be equal to square root of 310 divided by 5. Now 310 is divisible by 5 because it's ending with 0. So 5 will go. 5 6 are 30, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10, root 62. So you are getting root 62. Now root 62, the factors are, we have to see whether this is in the simplest form. 2 goes in this, 2 31s are, 31 is a prime number. Okay, and no other number goes, 31 1 is are. So nothing which is repeated. So this is in the simplest form only. So your answer is root 310 divided by root 5 is equal to root 62. Come on, copy it down. Okay children. So now what you have to do is copy each of this sum in your notebook, and in your rough book practice these sums 2 to 3 times. Okay. So then you will learn, master this method. Thank you.